So Kenya awarding the first commercial gold mining license to Goldplat, that of course coming through in October. The government is going to earn around 4% in royalties. Give us an indication of how unprecedented this move is at this point in time, because it's the first for Kenya.
Well, this is the first gold mining license being issued since the independence of the country. So this is definitely a very big step forward. We do have several exploration projects at the moment in Kenya for gold and different minerals, but this is the first time a gold mining license is awarded.
First time, of course, a gold mining license has been awarded. I mentioned that 4% that we're going to see in royalties coming to the fore. Tell us about the corporate tax environment right now and whether we're going to see a shift on that 4% that exists.
The corporate tax in Kenya is 30% for resident companies. And we don't know yet what royalty rate will be put in the next bill, but we will expect it to be in line with neighboring countries.
With regards to when we're going to actually see production coming to the fore, what has been put in place at this point in time?
Sorry?
Production of the Goldplat asset?
Well, the Goldplat assets are ready for production. Because when you prepare a gold mine, you do some development as part of the last steps of exploration. So the assets are ready to produce right now. And the production is anticipated to be about 5,000 ounces per year, which puts these mines on the lower scale of gold mines worldwide. But it is still a very good first start for Kenya.
Absolutely. And tell me, are there any more requests with regards to mining licenses within the gold mining space at this point in time that are still pending?
Yeah, there is another company that has applied for a gold mining license, and we have several companies that are doing exploration currently in Western Kenya, which are expected to apply for mining licenses very soon. So this first step is a clear signal to investors who are doing exploration in the country that more licenses will be issued soon.
With regards to foreign companies coming into Kenya, do you find that there is a bit of aversion to allowing foreign companies coming in without actually listing on the local bourse? What headway will be made in this regard? Is it even up for discussion at this stage?
No company active in the mining industry in Kenya, apart from cement factories, are listed in the local stock exchange. This is not a legal requirement. Many companies are open to it, but the problem is that if you want to list on the local stock exchange, you must be able to show several years of cash flow and of profitability, which of course is not possible for exploration companies.
With regards to the environmental impacts, I'm sure one can only look at South Africa as an example of some of the legacy issues that we have from an environmental perspective. What kind of regulation has been put in place?
Kenya has a modern environmental legislation which dates back from 2000, which is being enforced. So there is a lot of attention on environmental issues. And there are two key requirements for you to get a mining license. One is your feasibility study. The other one, which is even more important, is your environmental impact assessment.
Cedric, also just give us an indication with regards to exports. I know that you are going to be benefiting the rewards with regards to the much higher gold price. With regards to the central bank also holding on to some of the gold that is going to be produced, how is that going to be played out?
There are talks about the Central Bank of Kenya buying gold from the mines, which could be a positive step for the country. Obviously, the gold will be bought at market prices, so this is not an issue to the companies who are mining.